Alright, so today I'm going to be using this virtual dummy load monitor, and the main reason I'm going to be using this is because, as you can see here, this is a 4x3 monitor, and I want to be able to put two 4x3 monitors side by side, kind of like what I got right here. I want to have a little bit more space side to side, so this will give me a virtual 4K 60 hertz monitor. You can kind of see it lit up blue. So now I'm going to disconnect this VGA screen. And now when I remote into this computer, it's going to think that I have a bigger screen so that I can see more information at once. So I'm going to have this computer and this computer both remoted to this computer, and I'm going to be able to remote to that computer to have control over everything on one display. Okay, so now when I remote in, let's maximize this out, you can see I've got a much bigger, wider display, so it's much easier to see a lot more information at once, which is a lot better than this one, which is a 4x3, so everything was really crushed in. Now that I got that dummy load in, I don't even need this anymore. Since all I'm going to be doing is remoting into this computer, all I need is that dummy load. So I'm going to save power in the long run and save a lot of space on this desk. So great stuff.